Exploring vintage Apple II software and have a CD file from the Golden Orchard CD? These are unknown file types from a classic Apple II archive. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these unusual Apple II files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure CITY formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. CITY files are data files of unknown specific purpose found on the Golden Orchard Apple II. CD-ROM, a comprehensive archive of vintage Apple II software. They likely contain data for a specific Apple II program, possibly related to city simulation or geographic content. CITY files use Apple II-era data formats with internal structure specific to their originating Apple II application. Without specific documentation, the format details remain unknown, likely following Apple II or ProDOS file conventions used by classic Apple II software development. The tool most commonly used for creating CITY files is Atom by GitHub Inc. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows displays only general characteristics, while True Access requires specialized programs. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your CITY file and select Open With. If Atom is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If your CITY file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening with Apple II emulators. Use Apple Win Virtual 2 or Open Emulator with the Golden Orchard CD-ROM image mounted to access CD files in their original Apple II environment. The emulator runs vintage software that may use these files as part of normal program operation. Next, examining with CiderPress. Use CiderPress to examine CD files outside emulator environments. The Apple II file management tool reveals file metadata and content structure, helping identify the originating application and intended use within Apple II software ecosystems of the classic computing era. Finally, researching the archive. Research the Golden Orchard CD-ROM contents through retrocomputing communities and Apple II software archives. The collection's documentation and online discussions may reveal which programs use CD files, providing context for understanding their purpose and proper handling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.